Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this series we're going to show you how we restore vehicles. In this video series we've got 4 of them that we'll be doing, and we'll be showing you the benefits of why we're doing it, how we're doing it, and how we make all our parts. When you're restoring a vehicle, if you don't take these components off and you just repaint the outside, underneath you have all of this rust, and that's how we do things differently here. We'll remove every single component. When we rebuild these, we make them out of 1.2 steel, which is twice the thickness of the original steel they were made of, so that makes them very rigid. And we also paint them from the inside out as we're going along, so they won't rust again. Hey guys, so we're back on the Lotus Sunbeam, and what we're doing today is we're going to be doing the front wings. And typically what most restoration shops do is they'll just patch up the rust pieces along here, and any other rust, what they usually do is grind it off or sand them down and then treat them with acid or cut them out and replace them, what have you. And a lot of them don't remove the internal structure, like these structures here. So you've got these are the light boxes, and here you've got the wing support that bolts it up onto the A pillar. So under here you get a lot of rust build-up, which you can't get to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove both of these sections, and then either make new ones or treat these ones, paint them and put them back. This is the reason we do it like this, so we can get into all these sections so the car doesn't come back in 6 months. the pieces we've removed from the front wings. This is off one wing. This is the box for the headlight. So the headlight, this is a wing support, and the headlight bracket fits into here. As you can see, it's very corroded. This is the wing support for the rear, and that bolts it onto the vehicle. So what to do next is we're going to go ahead and blast these in our little cabinet, and if we think they're alright, we'll treat them and then epoxy primer them and then put them back. If we don't think they're okay, and then we'll make new ones, because we can't buy them, so we'll have to make them.